You see this water is going down.
Okay.
Okay, 61.5.
So now, and then we have opened this, closed this, and there is a air coming from here to the bottom. We have opened this point. Here also it is closed one. Oh, galat.
Okay.
And this one is closed. So that the air column will be created.
56.
The what? 60?
56.
56.
56.
Okay.
51.
So this water is coming down.
Uh-huh.
Here we have connected this stopcock. We have opened this stopcock, and the water is coming from here to this chamber. This one is for here.
58.5.
48.
48.5.
And there is a disc filter. We have put the filter paper or mesh, and the sand is there. So the water is going down from here to the stopcock.
Okay.
There are
44.
two chambers. One is a air
44.
tower. Is a water tower.
44.
We are taking reading after every 15 seconds.
Okay.
41.
And the readings are coming. See this is coming down here. 38.
Okay.
Okay, 38.5.
37.
Okay.
36. 36.
Okay.
32.
This is tensioninfiltrometer.
Tensioninfiltrometer.
Tensioninfiltrometer test going on practically on
Okay.
the soil.
30.
It is now the sand is sandy soil, coarse sand. We have put the weights deliberately so that the water doesn't come out. We have to keep it stable. You can put
Okay.
28.
Okay.
26.
Okay.
24.
approximately here it was 444, then it was 333, then it was 222. Now it is approximately 22 and 2.5 approximately. Then it is slowly it is going down because the
Yes.
3 consecutive readings.